What is up, guys? Peyton here with Budget Life Garage. We're on my Coleman mini bike, 200cc. Got an exhaust down there. Now where are you thinking?
I don't know, you're pretty low. I don't know if we'll make it from there. It's not very high, but still.
I don't know. Did you hear whatever hit my fender? Like, ding! Where the fuck are you going?
Last time I went through there last winter,
You got buried.
Oh yeah, I was buried.
Kind of like that. You got it? Fuck it, I'll give it a go. Hey, am I still recording? You good? That is deep.
You gonna send it?
I don't know. I have my phone in my pocket. If you want to take that, I'll send it.
Oh, you want it now? Well,
I got a voicemail from someone.
oh man.
Hey! Are you
I
gonna
guess what
send
I'm
it?
gonna do is I'm gonna turn around and come right here and just fucking blind open try to jump it.
I can't do that. I have to go nose. That's where you hit.
I can see where I bottomed out. Oh shit.
Now how you coming back for your daughter?
I'll go around. You can see where I bottomed out. At least I cleared it.
That is pretty fucking deep.
I felt it.
You take my phone, I'll fucking send it.
I'll fucking send it.
What do I got to fucking lose? The thing's mint.
You want me to film from over here?
Yeah, actually.
Alright, let me turn around and get her and come back.
Alrighty. So for now, I'm gonna pause. I think I can get enough speed.
Well, a little bit better than fucking off my dick.
That is true.
I'll wait until you turn around and I'll film when you come back. Leave that hill right there gonna fuck me. Like this downhill. Hey you, Uber's here. You make it through pretty easy. There's the bud.
I'm gonna send it. I'm going around. I'm not dumb enough to do it twice. We're gonna try another mud hole that I could possibly get stuck in. So this is the other side of our trail. That comes right through here. See, it's tore up right there. What?
You think so? You gonna go?
Yeah.
Alright, here, let me come around.
I don't even know what the easiest way across is. Ish. And since I made it to the other side, we're gonna try this whole climb. She gets there, and then when you gotta make that corner.
Try this one.
I wanna get the fuck out of the way. That's probably not good.